excel, please the coaches, do your best to please the coaches, be a good teammate, tsaka ano ka lang, parang don't overdo yung trabaho mo kasi role player ka lang. You know, like, don't try to be outstanding scorer because that's not really what you are, that's not how you were brought up. Just do the dirty work, kung ano yung pinagawa ni coach, just do it, tapos if you find your rhythm early, sabi nakashoot ka, di tuloy-tuloy lang, habang buenas, or just keep going.
Paano saan ka ba nag-high school pala?
Yung high school ko, I played sa Lasal Zobel.
Zobel.
Lasal Zobel, pero team lang. Tapos lumipat po ng NCAA sa Arellano. I played under Coach Taylor for a year. Tapos sa college din, 1 year with my dad and kay Coach Junji. Then lumipat po ako ng UST after ng season. Tapos nag-residency po ako noon. Then nag-pandemic. Was MPBL, PSL ako after that, and tuloy-tuloy na po MPBL.
Sa USD, team B ka? Sino coach nun?
Nung time na si Coach Aldin.
Coach Aldin, no?
Parang finals. It was a good time naman in USD. Ano lang, sadyang there's a lot of issues when pandemic happened, so all of us got dispersed, ang daming lumipat, at yung mga nasa team B, nawalan ng mga scholarship, so parang yung option ko at that time was to play na lang sa MPBL. Then, parang I was blessed na yung parents ko, they were like, oh, if you want to go back to school, you can go back to school para matapos, at least may diploma ka, if ever basketball doesn't work out, may degree ka. So, and yun na lang yung ginawa ko dahil yung coach ko sa Marikina at that time, thankful naman po ako kay Coach Elvis kasi pinayagan niya ako mag-miss na mga practices. Kung example, may school ako, bilang, hindi sige lang, tapusin mo yung kailangan mong gawin. Coach Graisal, gano'n din siya. They're very lenient when it comes to school. Para sa kanila, school first, tapos basketball. Kahit nasa MPBL na kasi other teams, hindi naman gusto na ganun. Very thankful for me.
Natapos mo na yung course mo?
Ako, graduate po. This year lang po.
This year lang. Anong course mo?
Fitness and Sports Management po. IPEA sa US.
IPEA. How about yung ano? Kasi syempre, si dad mo, legend, order, even during those times na naglalaro ko sa Team B, na parang comparisons, following his footsteps. How did you deal with that?
Siguro naman how I deal with it is I talked to him about it. Sinasabi ko na if ever na may nagko-compare sa akin, kinukwento ko sa kanya. And ano lang naman, parang tinatawanan lang namin. Parang magkaiba naman tayo mga ano like you play different naman from me. You have your own playstyle. Oh, big man ako. Ikaw, marunong ka mag-dribble. Ako, hindi marunong mag-dribble. Pero shooting, siguro, match-match lang kami. So, ano lang, we just try to laugh it off. Then parang, to him kasi, he never really pushed me naman to play basketball. Parang, ano lang yan, parang if you wanna do it, do it. Pero, I'm not here na parang to shove it down your throat. Hindi, mag-basketball ka. Hindi, mag-extra tayo, ganyan. Ano siya, parang he'll ask you lang, oh, what are you doing today? Dad, wala. Sige, shooting tayo. Sige, tapos yun. Ano na yan, whole day na kami mag-workout, weights, shooting. Parang, in short, yun na yung bonding namin. Ito yung tito ko, si Tito Hormon. Ganun po. Parang halos from pandemic hanggang ngayon, ganun po yung ginagawa namin. Yan yung bonding po namin as family.
Aside from basketball, ano yung parang career option mo? Career option kasi syempre sa IPEA ka, is not parang in the pipeline na hindi na plano mo even if basketball don't pan out.
Siguro, hopefully, yung goal ko talaga is to play basketball. Pero, if it doesn't work out, then yung backup ko is sa IPL kasi they gave us good options na parang you can manage a gym, you can be a personal trainer, you can manage a basketball team. They really give you the blueprint to be versatile sa sports industry. Tsaka, since it's a new course, a lot of people don't believe na parang, hindi maganda yan, or it's not, parang ano ba yun? Parang fitness, parang PE lang yun. Hindi, pero yung prof ko at the time, si Sir Porto, ano siya, he really gave me the, parang, hindi, minamaliit lang tao yung course natin, pero actually, madaming job opportunities yun. And, so, madami naman makapasok. If ever it doesn't work.
At syempre, nandito ka na sa draft, PBA, what do you plan to show sa team na pipili sa'yo this draft?
Siguro, what I can contribute, hopefully, if ever I do get picked, is yung hard work. Good character, syempre, yung ganahan everyday sa practice. Kasi nga, sa akin, ito talaga yung gusto ko ever since gusto ko talaga mag-basketball kahit iwan mo ako sa labas ng bahay. Yun lang yung gagawin ko yung basketball lang. So, it's in my blood to play basketball. And siguro naman, if my dad can do it, syempre, I hope a little bit rubs off on me. Then, I can contribute siguro yung hard work. Yung hard work niya, hard work, good attitude, a good role player.